Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we do the heavy lifting so you don't have to. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. It's Ruko F11PRO versus Techwonderz drone with camera. Buckle up, because this is going to be one heck of a ride. Ruko F11PRO is priced at a wallet-busting $389. You might need to sell a kidney for that one. But hey, it's FAA compliant, so you're not just buying a drone, you're buying peace of mind. On the other hand, the Techwonderz comes in at a much more budget-friendly $129. That's cheaper than my last impulse buy on Amazon during a midnight snack binge. Ruko F11PRO boasts a 4K UHD camera with a 120 degrees FOV and 90 degrees adjustable lens. It's like having a mini Hollywood studio in the sky. Meanwhile, Techwonderz offers a 1080p HD camera. Sure, it's no Spielberg, but it gets the job done. Plus, it also has a cool 50x zoom, perfect for spying on your neighbors. I mean, capturing distant landscapes. Ruko F11PRO offers a whopping 60 minutes of flight time with its 2 intelligent batteries. That's a full hour of pretending you're a pilot in Top Gun. Techwonderz isn't far behind with 50 minutes. Enough time to freak out the neighborhood pets and still have some juice left. Ruko F11PRO comes packed with Follow Me mode, Tap Fly, Point of Interest, and hand gesture shots. It's like having your own personal paparazzi. Techwonderz, on the other hand, has 360 degrees flips, waypoint functions, and gesture photos. It's like a circus act in the sky. Who needs Cirque du Soleil when you've got Techwonderz? Ruko F11PRO can withstand level 6 winds and has GPS auto return. So even if you lose control, the drone will come back to you like a loyal boomerang. Techwonderz features 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. It's like having a drone with spidey senses. It will dodge obstacles like a pro parkourist. Based on Amazon reviews, the Ruko F11PRO is highly praised for its exceptional build quality, user-friendly features, and overall performance. It's considered worth the higher price for those looking for a top-tier drone. On the other hand, the Techwonderz drone with camera is celebrated for its ease of use, affordability, and satisfying performance, making it a great option for beginners and casual users. So there you have it, folks. Ruko F11PRO for the serious drone enthusiast who wants all the bells and whistles, and Techwonderz for those who want a fun, budget-friendly option. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another Buy Smart showdown. Until next time, fly smart, buy smart. Product links are in the description.